Tiruchitrambalam. Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotram, Part 4, which shall include the verses from 44 until 50. That shall conclude until the 192nd Namavali of Lalita Devi. In this Part 4, we shall be seeing the Nirguna Ubasana. What are all the gunam which Devi Umayal does not possess? Lord Ayagriva, the brother of Parvati, talks about Nirguna Ubasana, gives this Ubasana to the Shaktis, mentioning what are all the gunam which Devi Parvati does not possess. Nirguna Ubasana. Nir, no, not applied. Guna, the quality. Ubasana. This is the Ubasana which Lord Hayagriva is mentioning. Nirleba Nirmala Nitya Nirakara Nirakula. Nirleba, Devi is not affected by anything. Nirmala, she does not have anything impure. Nitya, ever present. Nirakara, no boundaries. Nirakula represents that she does not get agitated. Nirleba, Nirmala, Nitya, Nirakara, Nirakula. Nirguna, Nishkala, Shanta, Nishkama, Nirupavallava. Nirguna, Shri Krishna in his Bhagavatam mentions the three gunam which should be possessed by people. What are all the three gunams? Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. Sattva being calm. Devi is beyond calm. Rajas, active. She is the only activity in the world. Tamas, lethargy. There is no lethargy with Devi. Nirguna, these are all the three guna. Nishkala, unitary, partless. She cannot be parted. She is one unity. Shanta, serene, calm. Nishkama, she does not have any desires. Niruba Ballava, no pain, no distress can affect her, can reach her. Nirguna, Nishkala, Shanta, Nishkama, Niruba Ballava. Nitya Mukta, Nirvikara, Nishprabhanja, Nirashraya. Nitya Mukta, eternal. She is always eternal. Nirvikara, is not subject to any change. She is there without any change. Nishprabhanja, in this universe, she cannot be multiplied. There is only one Devi. She cannot be multiplied. She is the supreme. She is there forever. Nirashraya, she is not dependent on anyone. Mahadeva is dependent on Parvati. The left side, Vamabhagam, Parvati. Mahadeva is dependent on Devi. The Devi gets the supreme state where she is not dependent on anybody, yet she is there in Devas, Mahadevas, left side of the body to give all the energy and support and balance which Mahadeva requires. Nitya Mukta, Nirvikara, Nishprabhanja, Nirashraya. Nitya Shuddha, Nitya Bhutta, Niravatya, Nirantara. Nitya Shuddha, she is pure. Nitya Buddha, ever conscious. Niravatya, flawless. There is no flaw in her. Nirantara, she is ever present. She is the only Nirantara. Nitya Shuddha, Nitya Bhutta, Niravatya, Nirantara. Nishkarana, Nishkalanga, Nirupadir, Nirishwara. Nishkarana, there is no reason for her appearance. She is there forever. She has been there every time. Nishkarana. So there is no reason to go and search why Devi is here, why Devi was there. She was there every time. She was there already. Nishkarana. Nishkalanka, no sin. She is pure, supreme. Nirupadir, there is no end for her path. She continues. Nirishwara, she is supreme above all the gods. Niraga Raga Madani, Nirmada Madanasini. Niraga Raga Madani, she does not have any unwanted desires. Nirmada, any pride she does not have. Madanasini, when we approach her, she also takes care, gives her the boon of how to overcome the pride. Niraga Raga Madani Nirmada Madanasini. Nissinta Nirahankara Nirmoha Mohanasini. Nissinta, beyond any doubt. Nirahankara, she does not have any ego. She knows she is the supreme. There is no ego for her. Nirahankara. Nirmoha Mohanasini, unwanted illusions is not there. She takes care that the illusions are getting avoided from her devotees also. Nirmama Mamata Hantri Nishpaba Pabanasini. Nirmama Mamata Hantri. Nirmama, I, myself. Devi is not self-centered. Nirmama Mamata Hantri. She destroys the self-centeredness in her devotees also. Nishpaba, she does not have any sin. Pabanasini, in case if you and me have any sins, she is the ultimate to remove all the sins. Pabanasini. Nishkroda Krodasamani, Nirloba Lobanasini. Nishkroda, anger is not there with her. Krodasamani, unwanted anger is taken care by Devi. Nirloba Lobanasini, pride. There is no pride for her. She takes care, she removes all those pride from us as well. Nissamsaya, she is beyond all doubts. Samsayakni, with us also, she takes care of removing all unwanted doubts. Nirbhava Bhavanasini, the cycle of birth and death does not affect her. She is always there. When you approach her, you are also granted the mukti, Nitya Mukta. Nirvikalpa Nirabada Nirbeda Vedanasini. Nirvikalpa, she cannot be modified. Nirabada, she cannot be sublated. Nirbeda, there is no differences for her. Vedanasini, with us also, if there is any differences, she takes care, blesses us to mature away from the differences. Nirnasa Mrityu Madani. Nirnasa, she has no death, no end. Mrityu Madani, any fear of death evades away when we take her golden feet. Nishkriya, she has created the universe. Nish Parikraha, so what can we gift her? Ultimately, there is nothing we can offer to her, because everything and anything in this universe has been created by her. Nishkriya, she has created everything. Nishparikraha, that's why we cannot offer anything to her except our pure love and dedication. Bhakti Marga. Nistula, peerless. Neela Sikura, black, dark, long hair. Nirabhaya Niratyaya, imperishable, indestructible. These lines are very important. Durlabha, difficult to attain. Durkama, difficult to approach. Durga, difficult to access. Devi is not simple. She is in the supreme level. We have seen the Nirguna Upasana now. Imagine the gunam which Devi does not possess, and all these gunam which is not required within us can be taken away only by her. She is in the supreme position. So, only through pure bhakti and love can we approach her. Durlabha, difficult to attain. Durgama, difficult to approach. Durga, difficult to access. If finally we succeed in all these and becomes Devi Upasana, Devi's devotee, what happens? Dukkha Hantri Sugaprabha. All the dukkam, pain gets cleared away. Sugaprabha, she gives you all good things only. That is there. Being mentioned by Hayagriva. This becomes the Nirguna Upasana. Nirguna Upasana. Nirleba, Nirmala, Nitya, Nirakara, Nirakula. Nirguna, Nishkala, Shanta, Nishkama, Nirubaballava. Nityamukta, Nirvikara, Nishprabhanja, Nirashraya. Nityamukta, Nityashuddha, Niravatya, Nirantara. Nishkarana, Nishkalanga, Nirupadar, Nirishwara. Niraga, Ragamadani, Nirmada, Madanasini. Nissinta, Nirahankara, Nirmoha, Mohanasini. Nirmama, Mamata, Hantri, Nishpaba, Pabanasini. Nishkroda, Krodha Samani, Nirloba, Lobanasini. Nissamsaya, Samsayakni, Nirbhava, Bhavanasini. Nirvikalpa, Nirabada, Nirbeda, Vedanasini. Nirnasa, Mrityumadani, Nishkriya, Nishparikraha. Nistula, Neelasikura, Niravatya, Nirantara. Durlabha, Durkama, Durga, Dukkha Hantri, Sugaprabha. Thank you for watching. We shall continue with the further Saguna Upasana during the next part. Thanks for your support.